Next up on the list here, we have Upstart. This AI fintech company is up over 100% over the last 6 months, and it has also been a popular stock in the past too. Despite this performance over the last year, if you take a look at the last 5 years, Upstart stock is still actually down about 80% from the highs reached in 2021. This is why you need to be extremely careful with any speculative bubbles that can form in the market, and it's entirely possible that something like this happens with AI stocks too. Upstart is an AI lending platform that partners with banks to provide loans that aren't based on traditional variables like credit score. Instead, their tool looks at other factors such as education and employment to predict creditworthiness. A lot of people feel like the traditional credit scoring system is unfair, and artificial intelligence has the computing power to calculate risk in a much deeper manner. Upstart could be a very disruptive solution that exists within the current banking system. If Upstart is able to better predict risk through their AI modeling as opposed to the traditional credit scoring system, this could become the new mainstream solution for banks looking to calculate risk.